The ARES Wing heavy-duty monitor arm feels impressively solid, easily handling large ultra-wide displays while keeping them steady even when you adjust the position often. Its gas spring mechanism allows very smooth height and angle changes, so you can dial in an ergonomic viewing position without fighting stiffness or sagging. The arm supports both clamp and grommet mounting on a wide range of desk thicknesses and standard VESA patterns, making it straightforward to fit into most home or office setups. By lifting the monitor off the desk and routing cables through the built-in channels, it noticeably clears workspace and gives a cleaner, more professional look. The integrated dual USB Type-A ports on the base are genuinely useful, letting you plug in and charge everyday devices without reaching behind your computer. Installation is simple and well-guided, with clearly labeled hardware and an easy tension adjustment that lets the arm hold your particular monitor weight securely in place.